How to use TurboLearn AI to study. So in order to do that, you can use your uploading materials. So if you upload materials, TurboLearn accepts various formats and PDFs, and you can convert them into YouTube links and then into a research paper and then even a lecture recording. So another option is by generating the study materials. So TurboLearn AI will automatically create notes, flashcards, and quizzes based on your uploaded content. So the notes are designed to be well formatted, incorporating elements like tables, emojis, diagrams, and equations. And the flashcards and quizzes help with active recall and knowledge retention. Then you can engage with the AI. So each set of notes is accompanied by a chatbot that can answer your questions about the material. So these chatbots provides context-aware answers, drawing information directly from your uploaded content, and you can even ask the AI to clarify a concept or elaborate it. Then you can also organize and review. So TurboLearn AI allows you to organize your notes into folders for better management. You can also access your study materials across different devices like your app or on the website, and then the platform also offers features like spaced repetitions for flashcards, helping you optimize your study schedule. And that's how you can use TurboLearn AI to study.